We are an ad tracking tool. So what we are doing is we are also collecting in the name of the owner of the data about the customers in your prospective business. And what we do is we do it in 3 steps. And these 3 steps are basically the big difference between other tools, because usually what tools do is just fulfill one of these 3 steps. So what you see there, for example, a collect process, you have a transform process, and you have a post-back process. And there's tools who are playing the data back to the media like Facebook, Meta in nowadays, and Google. Then you have a transforming platform. This is usually done in from a data warehouse standpoint on. They check the data, what is in there, is the telephone number right, are email addresses right, and so on and so forth. So they clean the data, structure data. This is usually a tooling. And then sometimes you have a special collection process for data where you take on data, lead generation data, e-commerce data, and just collect it without cleaning it, without structuring it, and without playing back. And the problem is when you just have one part of this 3-step process, then there is a big danger for you, because the problem is you have not everything made out of one tool. So this means usually the postback does not know what the collection process does. Maybe there is unclear data coming through and stuff like that, and there is risk. So you can never guarantee an end result. And what our goal is to give these end results and to guarantee the end results for the customer. And so the customer can be sure when he controls the collection process, the transforming process, and the postback process, that in the end he has also a result at all which we can work with, so that we can say, okay, when you have these 3 steps, you have a guaranteed result of a clean ad tracking process. You can see customer journeys. You get clarity about who your customer is, how he behaves, how he works with your product. This is where the value is in the end.